Filtration is a physical method of separating a suspended solid from a solution or liquid by passing the solution or liquid through a porous barrier, called a filter. To filter by gravity, you will need the following equipment: a stand, a ring clamp, a funnel, filter paper, a receiving container, usually an Erlenmeyer flask or beaker, a clay triangle, a wash bottle, a glass rod, and a rubber policeman, which is a rubber piece on a glass rod. Let's set up the filtration system while the mixture settles. Suspend the funnel over the receiving flask with the ring clamp. Depending on the size of the ring clamp, you may use a clay triangle to help hold the funnel. Move the receiving flask so that it is touching the tip of the funnel. This will reduce splashing. There are two types of filter paper available for gravity filtration. Use a pencil to label the outer edge of the filter paper. If it is a fluted filter paper, open it so that the outer folds touch the funnel. Wet it with deionized water so that it stays in place. If it is a flat disc, fold the filter paper in half. Tear off a small portion of one of the outer corners. Then fold it in half again, but not perfectly. There should be a 5 to 10 degree angle between the edges. The tear in the angle will allow the filter paper to lie smoothly against the funnel. Open the cone, keeping the two torn portions and the closest untorn portion together. Place it inside the funnel and wet it with deionized water so that it stays in place. Pour the aqueous portion, called the supernatant, through the filter paper using a glass rod to direct the flow. Make sure the tip of the glass rod touches the side of the funnel. Keep the funnel about 2/3 full. Keep pouring liquid before the funnel empties so that the stem of the funnel stays filled with the filtrate. This will create suction, speeding up the filtration process. Once transferred, rinse the glass rod into the funnel, unless the instructions say otherwise. Use the rubber part of the rubber policeman to sweep the solid onto the filter paper. You can also use the water bottle to help transfer small solid particles. Don't forget to rinse the rubber policeman into the funnel. Once the supernatant has filtered, rinse the solid with the wash bottle. Allow the liquid to drain. Then rinse 1 or 2 more times, allowing the liquid to drain between rinses. Carefully remove the filter paper from the funnel. The solid on the filter paper is called the residue. The aqueous portion is now called the filtrate. Follow the experiment's instructions regarding the residue and filtrate. We hope that you have found this video on gravity filtration useful. Stay safe and enjoy the chemistry lab.